Hello everyone, I am Vijaykumar. I have completed my bachelor degree in mechanical department. I have 7 years working experience in teaching field. Now I like to changing my career in data science. So I plan to join the in data science. So I searched for some good centers. So I asked a suggestion to many of my friends. Some of my friends to refer to GUVI and also assure the placement. So I joined the GUVI. She's taking classes is very well. Now I completed my courses and excellent teaching faculties are very good teaching and mentors also helpful to achieve our goals to improving our skills in data science. So thank you so much for your career guidance. Thank you to all. Thank you to Guvi. Thank you so much.